My cousin acting like a retard. He has my mirror that spins, and he's in a spinny chair.
It's no spin fast enough! Spin faster!
I'm showing this to your mom, and this is going on YouTube.
There's no spinning!
That's my cousin for you. He scares me a lot too. I don't know what to do with him.
I like spinning!
He needs some mental help. Let's continue watching and laughing.
Let's try to walk! Whoa! Now, come on!
Are you having fun, Kevin?
Oh, really? No!
It's still going.
No spinning!
Say bye-bye, YouTubers. The Spinny Kid. Enjoy laughing at this countless times. Say bye.
I'm spinning!